Welcome to Expert Credit Care's weekly series, This or That, where we ask the question, which option is better for your credit? We aim to help spread credit awareness to our community, and our goal is to help you hear you're approved. Stay tuned every Thursday for a new episode, and please like and subscribe to our page, share this video, and comment your answer below, as we help spread awareness to help others on their credit journey. This week, we ask what's more beneficial for your credit, a charge card or a credit card. Both cards can have positive impacts on your credit score when used responsibly. However, they work differently, and their effect on your credit score may vary based on your financial habits and credit management. Let's explore the benefits and considerations for each. A credit card allows you to make purchases up to your credit limit, and you have the flexibility to carry a balance from one month to the next, along with interest charges. A charge card is similar, but typically requires you to pay the balance in full each month, with no option for carrying a balance over time. Charge cards often come with higher or no credit limits, but you are expected to pay the balance in full by the due date. Credit cards can impact your credit score by contributing to a healthy credit utilization ratio. This ratio is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. Lower credit utilization, typically below 30%, is better for your credit. Making timely and consistent payments on your credit card is one of the most significant factors affecting your credit score. On-time payments demonstrate responsible credit management and can boost your score over time. Having a mix of credit types, including credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can also positively influence your credit score. Cons: carrying a high balance or being unable to pay off the balance in full each month can lead to interest charges. They may also tempt overspending, which leads to a higher utilization. Charge card benefits: like credit cards, using a charge card responsibly can contribute to a healthy credit utilization ratio when you pay off the balance in full each month. Making on-time payments in full each month demonstrates responsible credit management and can positively impact your credit score. Considerations: charge cards may not contribute as much to your credit utilization history, since there's no revolving balance being reported each month. While this may not necessarily hurt your credit score, it might not have the same positive impact as a credit card with a reported revolving balance. If you prefer the flexibility of paying off balances over time, a charge card might not be the best option for you, with no option for carrying a balance from month to month. In conclusion, both credit cards and charge cards can be beneficial for your credit score when used responsibly. The key to improving and maintaining a healthy credit score is making on-time payments, managing your credit utilization, and using credit responsibly, regardless of the type of card you choose. If you're considering applying for a new card, evaluate your spending habits, repayment ability, and credit goals to determine whether a credit card or a charge card aligns better with your financial situation. As always, schedule a time to speak with Expert Credit Care to help guide you along your credit journey. Visit expertcreditcare.com today.